You work hard, you stay late, you handle pressure quietly, but somehow your salary barely changes. Meanwhile, people with less experience are getting promoted, switching their jobs, and doubling their income. So, what are they doing differently? Because in 2026, working hard is not enough anymore, and one mistake is keeping thousands of women underpaid without even realizing it. Stay till the end because I will also share the exact skill combination companies are paying higher salaries for right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rise with Chaitali. This is a space where we talk about career growth and confidence for women who wants to build their life on their own terms. Today we will talk about the strategies to increase the salary in 2026. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on new upcoming videos. If you are a working woman, someone restarting your career or feeling financially stuck, this video is for you. Nobody teaches women how salary growth actually works. Most people think if I stay loyal, work sincerely and wait patiently, my salary will automatically grow. But the truth is salary increases are strategic. Today I will show you why many professionals stay underpaid, the biggest salary mistakes in 2026 and skills companies are paying more for. The practical ways to increase your income even if you feel average right now. And trust me, one small shift can completely change your earning potential. So now we'll see what are the reasons the salary stays stuck or low. First one is you become dependable instead of valuable. There is a difference. Many women become the person who takes extra work, fixes problems, stays silent, avoids negotiation, but companies reward visibility and impact, not sacrifice. If your manager only sees you as someone who will quietly handle everything, they stop seeing you as leadership material. And this becomes dangerous in 2026 because AI is replacing repetitive work very fast. The people getting higher salaries now are decision makers, communicators, problem solvers, AI enabled professionals, people who bring measurable results. Start asking yourself, what business problem do I solve? That question changes everything because companies don't pay for effort, they pay for outcomes. Now let's talk about the biggest salary opportunity in 2026. You do not need to become a software engineer. Even non-technical professionals can increase salary by learning AI supported skills. In 2026, companies are not paying more for degrees alone. They are paying more for adaptability, visibility, and problem solving. Here is what companies are paying more for. AI productivity skills. Companies are paying more to people who know how to use AI to save time and improve work quality. For example, ChatGPT, Canva AI, Notion AI, Excel AI automation tool. One employee using AI smartly can now do work that previously needed 2 to 3 people. You do not need to become an AI engineer. Even knowing how to use ChatGPT for faster work, create presentation with AI, automate repetitive tasks, summarize reports quickly. What AI tool you have started using recently? Answer me in the comment. Second one is communication skills. High salary is strongly connected to speaking confidently, presenting ideas clearly, negotiation, leadership communication. People who communicate well becomes visible faster. Do you find it difficult to speak confidently in meetings? Answer me in the comment. Third one is problem solving. Companies love employees who solve issues independently, think critically, suggest solutions, improve systems. Instead of only completing tasks, companies now pay more for people who improve results. Instead of saying this client is difficult, a high value employee says, I found 3 possible solutions. Which one should we try? That small difference changes salary growth. Are you someone who waits for instruction or someone who finds solution? Answer me in the comment. Fourth one is data and analytics skill. Even non-technical roles now requires Excel, Power BI, Google Analytics, basic data understanding because company makes decision using data. People who understand numbers become valuable quickly. Personal branding. Professionals building visibility online are getting better job offers, freelance opportunities, promotions, and networking access. Skills like LinkedIn optimization, content creation, networking, and professional storytelling. For example, Someone who regularly shares industry insights online often gets recruiters reaching out, freelance offers, networking opportunities, better job, and better salary negotiation. Even posting once a week can slowly build authority. Have you ever posted on LinkedIn before? Answer me in the comment. Sales and negotiation skills. Even if you are not in sales, every high paying roles require persuasion, negotiation, influencing people. This affects salary hike, promotions, leadership opportunities. Tech and business combination skills. The highest paid professionals in 2026 are not always the most technical. They combine technology, communication, and business understanding. For example, AI in marketing, data in business, tech and leadership, design and strategy. And now we'll talk about adaptability and fast learning. The job market changes fast. Companies now value people who learn quickly, adapt to new tools, stay updated, improve continuously. So, static skills is equal to stagnant salaries. And wait till you hear the next mistake, because this is why many women stay underpaid for years. This one is painful but true. Many women think if I work sincerely, people will notice. Sometimes they don't, not because you are bad, but because workplaces reward self-advocacy. You need to speak about your achievements, track your results, ask for growth, negotiate salary. And please remember this, negotiation is not arrogance, it's self-respect. If you increase company revenue, saved time, handle responsibilities beyond your role, you deserve to ask for better pay. Also, stop staying in jobs that emotionally drain you while financially underpaying you. Loyalty should not cost your future. Sometimes the biggest salary increase comes from switching environment. In 2026, relying on only one salary is risky. And honestly, women need financial security more than ever. You can start small, freelancing, consulting, teaching online, digital products, content creation, AI assisted side work. And before you say, but I don't have time, most successful side income starts with just 30 focused minutes daily. The goal is not burnout, the goal is freedom. Because when you have multiple income sources, you negotiate better, fear reduces, confidence increases, and you stop tolerating toxic situation. Financial confidence changes your personality. So now we will talk about the books that will help you to grow, increase your salary, and become more confident. So the first book is Never Split the Difference. This is best for salary negotiation, workplace communication, confidence in difficult conversation. People who negotiate strategically earn significantly more over time. Second book is The Confidence Code. This is best for women rebuilding confidence, overthinking, and self-doubt in career. And the third book is Co-Intelligence. This is best for understanding AI at work, future career skills, and using AI productively. So if you truly want a higher salary in 2026, remember these four things. Stop being only hardworking. Learn AI supported skills. Speak about your value. Build income beyond one job. And please don't wait for confidence before taking action. Confidence comes after growth starts. 1 year from now, your income can be completely different, but only if you stop playing small today. If this video helped you, comment below what skill do you want to learn in 2026, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Rise with Chaitali for more videos on career growth, confidence, money, and building a stronger life as a woman, because your growth should never stop. Let's rise together.